Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the goal. Decide whether you need a beginner overview or advanced workflow training. Once done, pick free versus paid and instructor-led versus self-paced so you can filter results quickly. Make sure to list 3-5 keywords that match your goal because search precision saves time. Use platform filters next. They narrow by duration, rating, and price. This lets you jump straight to relevant listings instead of browsing unrelated materials. Now search targeted platforms, marketplaces, LMS, and video sites. You'll also check social channels for short demos. Once results appear, filter by rating, length, price, and last update date to remove stale content. Make sure to open the syllabus and preview video so you can gauge depth and teaching style. Compare instructors' experience and read several recent reviews to spot recurring pros or cons. This step prevents wasting time on courses. Finally, enroll or use a free trial so you can inspect full content before committing. If paid, complete purchase securely and confirm access. Once inside, create a study schedule with short focus sessions and hands-on tasks to reinforce skills. Apply what you learned directly in your Drive account. If playback or access fails, clear cache, update your browser, try incognito, and then contact platform support with course ID and screenshots. That resolves most issues quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.